was late last out.
At Restore Motion, we don't fear the wreckage. We see the blueprint of a rebirth.
The first movement is the hardest, to break the grip of a century of ice and rust.
Beneath the decay, the elegance of the 19th century still breathes.
The tracks are the veins of this place. We must make the blood flow again. Look out below! We need another shovel over here.
Sand and air. Reclaiming the strength of the iron, 1 square inch at a time.
Alignment. Without a solid foundation, the glass will never hold.
Sealing out the storm, inviting the light back home.
This is the heart of the station. If we restart the clock, we restart time itself.
A century of friction, dissolved in a single moment.
Every minute matters. Every second is a victory.
The hands of history, ready to point to the future.
The darkness is retreating. The station is waking up.
Our signature color. A shield against the elements and a badge of rebirth.
The details matter. We are preparing for the first passengers in 100 years.
The heat returns. The cold is gone.
Listen. The heartbeat of the pass is back.
Dawn has arrived. The station is no longer forgotten.
We reclaim the structure. We honor the journey. One station, one movement, infinite history. Restore motion, reclaiming history.